Hi boys and girls, welcome to Storytime. My name is Marianne and I'm here at the Kirkfield branch of the Kawartha Lakes Library. I'm so excited you are here, so come on and let's read a story together. Shh, they're sleeping. Today's story is called Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. Is Bear taking a quick nap or is Bear in hibernation? Let's find out what he's doing. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew-chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear Run-chew! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. That's the end of our story, boys and girls. My favorite part of the story was when Bear ends up staying up and all the friends cuddle up with him and fall asleep. What's your favorite? There are things you could do at home that could relate to this story, like you could build your own cave with blankets and chairs, pillows, whatever you could find, and bring in your own stuffed animals and have a party. Also, you could do some crafts. I'll show you. You can make a picture. There's Bear's lair, his cave, and he's peeking out with the snow and the trees and the falling snow. Or you could download some pictures and print them out, and you could make a book of all the characters in the story. And if you could remember which one came in first and which one came in last. The mouse came in first, and you could put him on the first page. So I hope you had a great story time. Have a great day. Bye.